Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 209 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about finding calm by simply resting your hands and letting them be still. Let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Place your hands softly in your lap or on your knees. Feel their warmth and their weight. You don't need to do anything, just notice how they rest. With each breath, let your whole body follow their stillness. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.